Hi, today I'm going to be walking you through my Assignment 7 program for Advanced Object-Oriented Programming. My name is Tristan Whedon. So this week we were supposed to create a program using LinQ, I believe that's how you pronounce it, LINQ, queries to return something from a collection, and then we were supposed to use Lambda statements to implement those queries. So first of all, we have the program CS class here. This is our main class, and it basically just gets everything together and creates our output and gets our input. So first of all, we are creating a new info class and then using display info, and that just prints out my information and the information for the assignment. And then after that, we go ahead and we create a new user interface, and then we do the app introduction, which just prints out basically what the application is about and what it's going to do. And then in the main method, we then go ahead and we create a new student array, and we fill the array using getName and getScore. And then we create a new student using name and score, and then we place it in the array we created. And then we create a new class, initializing it, and then passing in the students array that we have. And then we go ahead and we get all above 80, and we get the highest score. So I'm just going to walk through and show you what the application actually does. I'm going to run an instance of it and go through it. And really quick, I'll just go back into our class, and I'll show you our actual LINQ statements and our Lambda statements. So here we aren't actually using a Lambda statement, we're actually just creating a query, and then we are looping through that query and getting our return students and then adding them to this string, our return string, and then we return the string and then print that string out. And then in get highest score, we get the max score from the list and then or the collection, and then we go ahead and we have a Lambda statement here using a LINQ query that returns all the students that have the highest score. So it doesn't exclude students when they have the same highest score. So if there's two students with a 99 and the 99 is the highest score, it will return both of them. So here we go. We're just going to walk through our application here. So first we're going to put in the student's name. We'll do Bob. Bob got a score at 100. And then we'll do Tom. Tom also got a score at 100. And then we'll do John. We're going to go with a score of 80. Tommy. Actually, we already did Tom. We'll do Jason with a score of 70. Oh, accidentally put 70 after Jason there. That won't break the application. It's just going to show Jason 70, and then his score is 70. We'll just leave that. And then the last student's name we'll do Robert with a score of 77. And then after we do that, it's going to print out everything. So we've got all the scores above 80, so it's not going to include John because John is 80 and we're just going above 80. So we have Bob's score and Tom's score with both with 100. And then our highest score is also Bob and Tom, both at 100. And then I'll just run through it one more time because that was kind of a weird example because both lists were the same with the returns. So we'll just go through it again, and we'll just do some random scores this time. This will just take 1 second. Alright, so here you can see now we have a different return. Lizzie with a 99, Arnold with a 109, and Arnold with a 95, and then our highest score is Ronald with a 109. And that's the application. Hope you enjoyed checking it out, and have a great day.